All right, crypto fans, get ready, because today we're going deep on Blum.
Yeah,
And their Season 2 airdrop that's got everybody buzzing
definitely a hot topic.
for good reason. It's, in the crypto world, an airdrop is like finding a surprise bonus in your digital wallet.
Absolutely, a little gift.
And this one could change everything,
That's what they're saying.
potentially. Now, Blum, they're not your average crypto exchange.
Right, right.
They're doing something pretty interesting.
Very interesting. A hybrid model, actually.
Yeah, talk about that.
They're blending the ease of use of centralized exchanges
Okay.
with the security and the control that you get with decentralized exchanges.
I'm curious about this hybrid approach.
Yeah.
It seems like they're trying to,
Yeah.
kind of get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, exactly.
But for those of us who aren't, super fluent
Sure.
in crypto jargon, could you break down what centralized and decentralized exchanges are
Yeah, absolutely.
and why this hybrid thing is so unique?
So centralized exchanges, you can think of them like your traditional banks,
Yeah.
Familiar, convenient.
Yeah.
But you're putting your trust in that central authority to manage everything.
Right.
So the downside, there's vulnerability, right? Hacks, regulations.
Especially with crypto, things are changing so fast.
Exactly. It's still the Wild West out there.
So then decentralized exchanges, they're like the opposite, right?
Yeah, they cut out that middleman.
Oh, okay.
You have full control over your assets,
Gotcha.
which is great, but, can be a little less user-friendly
Yeah,
and might need a bit more technical knowledge.
makes sense.
And Bloom's approach is really aiming to bridge this gap, offer that best of both worlds.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know if you use Venmo.
I do, yeah.
It revolutionized payments, right?
Totally.
By making it easier,
Totally.
but it's still operating within the existing financial system.
Right.
So it seems like Bloom's trying to do the same for crypto.
That's a really good analogy.
Okay, let's get to this airdrop. The announcement was,
Cryptic, a little bit.
yeah, I think they did that on purpose.
Oh, for sure. Generate some hype.
Yeah, but that phrase, change everything,
Ooh.
that caught my eye.
Big statement.
Yeah. So why are airdrops such a big deal in the crypto world?
So airdrops, they're more than just marketing. They're really about building a community,
Right.
Rewarding those early adopters, the people that believe in the project from the start.
Uh-huh.
It's that thank you for being here.
We appreciate you.
Yeah, here's a little something.
Right, and Blum, they already have, 5.4 million users?
Huge user base, yeah.
That's a lot of potential thank yous.
A lot of gifts to give out.
Right, and this is their second airdrop, so that tells me they're looking to grow even more.
For sure. Ambitious.
But there's something else.
There's always something else.
Yeah, a little detail that maybe some people overlooked.
Ooh. I like this.
In that announcement, there's a screenshot
Okay.
with a ton-funded wallet.
Now, we're talking, yeah.
Big player in the blockchain space?
Absolutely.
What do you make of that? Potential partnership, maybe?
That's what has everybody speculating.
Yeah.
A partnership with TON.
Yeah.
Integrating that technology into Bloom's platform.
Uh-huh.
Imagine new features, new functionalities, maybe even moving assets between the two ecosystems seamlessly.
Wow.
That's a game changer.
It's like two giants coming together.
I like it.
Right. So we don't know the specifics of the airdrop yet, like what kind of reward.
Right, rewards are a mystery.
Yeah, who's eligible. All that's still under wraps.
Got to keep us guessing.
But, just the potential implications of this partnership with TON.
Huge, yeah.
Pretty mind-blowing.
Absolutely. And you know what I find really interesting?
Okay.
Bloom's already pushing boundaries, right? With this hybrid model,
Yeah.
this partnership. This could be the thing that launches them to the forefront
top.
of the entire crypto landscape.
Wow, so what does this mean for our listeners?
I think the takeaway here, keep your eyes on Blum. Keep your eyes on TON.
Yeah.
This airdrop, this potential partnership could be a major turning point.
A pivotal moment.
Yeah, for the entire crypto world.
It's like we're watching, the early stages of a crypto revolution.
And who knows, maybe some of our listeners will end up being major players in it.
That's right. And the world of crypto is full of surprises, guys.
Oh, always.
This is just the beginning of Bloom's story.
Can't wait to see what happens next.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, that's our deep dive for today.
Great episode.
We'll be back with more exciting crypto insights soon.
See you then.